Hello traders! Bitcoin is making a killing recently, and you want to analyze its chart with Market Profile? Unfortunately, one problem traders encounter when using our Market Profile indicator is that it can be really slow on Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrency charts. Luckily, it's a very easy fix. Switch to Inputs, scroll down to PointMultiplier, and change it from 1 to 100. Double-click the ThrottleRedraw value, and change it from 0 to 5. Now, Market Profile works smoothly. If this doesn't help, or if you want to use it on some exotic chart where PointMultiplier of 100 is not enough, you can increase it even more. Thanks for watching!